Good morning, everyone. This is Simpy. Welcome to EVS class. All of you turn page number 116. Take out your books and turn page number 116. Now, we will discuss the exercise and question answer of assessment 3. All of you be ready. Let's get started. There are 7 oceans and 5 continents. You have to write true or false. How many oceans? 5 oceans. 7 oceans? No. 5 continents? No. How many continents? 7 continents. So this statement is wrong. You have to write here what? False. All of you write down here false. Next, we get salt from fresh water? No, we get salt from sea water. Right here, false. The temperature and size of a star determine its brightness? Yes, this statement is true. Fart painting is also a type of scroll painting. Yes, true. The next, the FIFA World Cup is played every 4 years. Yeah, this is right statement. FIFA Federation Internationals de Football Association is played every 4 years. So you have to write here what? True. All of you do in your books false, false, true, true, true. All of you have to complete this exercise in your books. Now we will do the question answer. All of you take out your notebooks and be ready. Write down first question. Natural resources are important. List 3 points to support the statement. 3 points are listed below to support the statement that natural resources are important. Natural resources fulfill our needs. Natural resources are important for the surviving of living organisms. We can't survive without natural resource. They provide material, energy and favorable conditions for development. So natural resources are very important. Why are globes important? Globes are important because they give us information about continents and oceans. We learn about various places by viewing the globe. How do we measure water? We measure water to use different kind of measuring containers such as beakers and glass. In house, while cooking, we measure the water with the help of glass. Define stars by giving examples. Stars are huge celestial bodies made mostly of hydrogen and helium that produce light and heat. Sun is the biggest star in our solar system. Pole star is found directly above the earth. Sirius is the brightest star in the sky. State the features of the Worli art. Worli art belongs to the state of Maharashtra. It shows the daily life of people and activities like harvesting using various shapes like circles, triangles and squares. It is one of the oldest art forms of India. It is created both on mud walls and on clothes and paper. Link of this one is given in the description box. You can check out from there and write down this one in your notebooks. Thank you. Have a good one.